Good day, this is Harshit, your tech host for today, with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Vertiv, a global provider of critical digital infrastructure and continuity solutions, announced the expansion of thermal presence with the national value-added distributor IngramMicro in India. To make the company's line of solutions more accessible to Vertiv's channel partners, the B2B online platform will enable ease of doing business, extensive reach, and access to a broader portfolio including service assistant. The portfolio includes Vertiv, Libert, SRCG, small room cooling system, and Vertiv Libert DM high performance cooling for small rooms. As the anticipation for Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 launch continues to escalate, the veil of mystery surrounding its Pro models is gradually being lifted. While a plethora of leaks have already provided insights into most aspects of the iPhone 15 Pro, one key element has remained in the shadows until now. A recent leak has shed light on the highly anticipated iPhone 15 Pro chip, revealing intriguing details about its potential capabilities. The leak has provided an intricate breakdown of the next generation A17 chipset that will drive the iPhone 15 Pro models. The revelation comes as a significant development given that the chip's inner workings were largely unknown until this point. The revelations encompass a range of crucial aspects, including the CPU and GPU configuration, clock speeds, and RAM specifications of the A17 chip. Samsung announced that a handful of devices won't jump from One UI 5.1 straight to One UI 6.0. The company wants to bring One UI 5.1.1 to more devices first. One UI 5.1.1 debuted with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and Tab S9 tablets, and Samsung told us its plan to release the update to older models. The company says that One UI 5.1.1 will go live for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 starting this month, whereas older models such as the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Fold 2, and Z Fold 3 should be receiving the update sequentially. Both India's number one audio and wearable brand embodies the spirit of contemporary and new India. The homegrown brand has revolutionized the Indian electronics industry and is committed to made in, by, and for India. The brand's success in designing, engineering, and manufacturing wearables devices in India can be seen through the remarkable milestone of manufacturing 2.5 crore plus audio and wearable devices right here in India. Made in India is a significant initiative for Indian brands like both, which aims to contribute to the country's economy and create job opportunities. The brand's goal is to create a self-sufficient India through curated products. With over 70% of wearables and audio devices manufactured locally, Boat is now known to be a pioneer in building an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Boat's success can be attributed partly to the government's efforts that proposed several policies like Make in India and Startup India schemes that helped local brands thrive. Honor, the Chinese smartphone manufacturer, is making a comeback to the Indian market and has begun hinting at its upcoming product launch through social media posts on its HONORTech India, Instagram, and X profiles. The company has also created a Telegram channel named HONORTech and revealed plans for fan contests. Now, former Realme CEO Madhav Seth confirmed the imminent launch of Honor smartphones in India through a post on X, expressing excitement about empowering the future with HONORTech. The brand is expected to introduce the Honor 90 series in India, which includes the Honor 90 and Honor 90 Pro models already launched in China. Honor's strategic move to adopt the identity of HONORTech for India aims to avoid any legal conflicts following its separation from Huawei. PODWorld, a leading full-stack fundraising platform, is proud to announce the launch of its groundbreaking SaaS tool, PitchPager. Designed to empower founders and entrepreneurs, PitchPager transforms the way business information is presented, offering a concise and visually captivating one-page format that enhances investor engagement and interest. Founders from diverse sectors invest considerable time, energy, and resource into creating impactful pitches. However, the limitations of text-based pitches often result in lackluster responses from potential investors. PitchPager addresses this challenge head-on, offering founders a convenient solution by inputting their business data. Entrepreneurs can effortlessly generate a compelling one-page pitch ready to be shared with investors at the click of a button. This innovative tool streamlines the pitching process and significantly enhances the likelihood of capturing investor interest. Redis Incorporation announced the unified release of Redis 7.2 across all of the company's products and services, including open source available commercial cloud software and Kubernetes distributions. Redis Enterprise 7.2 cloud and software products preview a scalable search feature which delivers even greater performance for query and search use cases, including vector similarity search. Redis 7.2 raises the bar for ease of use across the board, from new core Redis capabilities to tooling, while ensuring that the client's integrations and documentation delivers a seamless unified experience. Additionally, with the growing challenge of building generative AI applications, Redis Enterprise has been enhanced to store vector embeddings while providing a high-performance index and query search engine. Altair, a global leader in computational science and artificial intelligence, released results from a global survey that reveals the widespread use of digital twin technology in the banking and financial industries. Although digital twin technology is typically associated with designing physical products, according to the survey, the banking, financial services, and insurance sector is among the leading adopters of digital twins, using the technology to address challenges like security, fraud detection, behavioral prediction, and more. Digital twin technology creates a digital representation of a physical real-world object or process to improve collaboration, information access, and decision making. The global survey of more than 2,000 professionals throughout several industries and across 10 countries Govt digital twin technology adoption and assessed how organizations are utilizing it, its business benefits, and impact on sustainability initiatives. OPPO announced that 15 tech startups shortlisted for the global final demo event of the 2023 OPPO Inspiration Challenge following the successful completion of regional demo events in Boston, Shenzhen, and Bangkok earlier this month. The 15 startups and their innovations will meet in Singapore in October, where they will compete for a spot in the global top 5. The 2023 OPPO Inspiration Challenge received a total of 687 innovative proposals from 66 different countries and regions, focusing on the two entry categories of inspiration for people and inspiration for the planet. Following a through evaluation process, the top 15 solutions in each region were selected to take part in 3 regional demo events in Boston, Shenzhen, and Bangkok. Threads, Meta's highly anticipated text-based conversation app, seemed to burst onto the scene with a wave of enthusiasm when it was launched on 5 July. Branded as a potential alternative to Twitter, it quickly garnered attention and downloads, with users hopeful for a fresh digital space for communication. However, the app's meteoric rise was met with a sobering reality just a month later. Threads started with a bang, positioning itself as a solution to some of the frustrations Twitter users were grappling with at the time. With Twitter facing backlash for rate limits on tweets and limited accessibility for non-account holders, Threads presented an appealing prospect. It promised an alternative with unrestricted communication and quickly attracted a staggering 100 million sign-ups within its first 5 days. The prevailing sentiment was that Threads could be the next Twitter. Apple, the tech giant known for its innovation, is reportedly working on a groundbreaking evolution of its beloved smartwatch, the AppleWatchX. In a move reminiscent of their iconic iPhone X, the company is set to redefine the wearable technology landscape with a reimagined design and exciting new features. If reports from reliable sources hold true, the Apple Watch X could be a game changer, giving users a fresh and innovative way to interact with this essential piece of wearable tech. The brain behind this revolution is none other than Mark Gurman, a respected tech journalist with insider knowledge. In his Power On newsletter, Gurman tantalizingly reveals details about this upcoming marvel. The focal point of this anticipated revolution is a magnetic attachment system for watch bands, potentially replacing the traditional locking mechanism that has been a staple of Apple Watch design. This shift might disrupt compatibility with existing band, but the advantage could be groundbreaking. Microsoft's latest move aims to empower frontline workers with the integration of Copilot, its cutting-edge AI assistant, into the Dynamics 365 field service application. This strategic advancement seeks to streamline operations and enhance productivity for those at the forefront of various industries, including technicians and retail workers. A significant step towards efficiency, the Copilot AI assistant assists in crafting work orders, ultimately saving valuable time. With a keen focus on user convenience, Microsoft has seamlessly integrated Copilot with Microsoft Outlook. This integration facilitates the automatic aggregation of pertinent data into draft work orders, easing the workload for managers who can swiftly review these pre-populated work orders within their workflow. Once reviewed and finalized, these work orders seamlessly synchronize with the Dynamics 365 field service applications, creating a seamless transition from conception to execution. Google's AI-powered search generative experience is getting a major new feature. It will be able to summarize articles you are reading on the web according to IT Voice. SGE can already summarize search results for you so that you don't have to scroll forever to find what you are looking for, and this new feature is designed to take that further by helping you out after you have actually clicked a link. The Indian government has issued a warning for Android users and labeled it as high severity. The Computer Emergency Response Team CERT-In under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology said that multiple vulnerabilities have been reported in Android. The CERT-In mentions that Android versions 10, 11, 12, 12L, and even 13 are vulnerable to the issue. It said that these vulnerabilities could be exploited by an attacker to obtain sensitive information, gain elevated privileges, and cause a denial of service on the targeted system. CERT-In advised users to update the software of their phones right away. The agency said these vulnerabilities are caused by flaws in the framework, Android runtime, system component, Google Play system updates, kernel, ARM components, MediaTek components, and Qualcomm closed source components. WhatsApp is reportedly testing a new AI feature that will enable users to create customized stickers using text-based commands similar to models like OpenAI's DALL-E. The instant messaging app by Meta is reportedly testing a new AI feature that will allow users to create customized stickers using text-based commands. The feature will be similar to how the current generative AI models like OpenAI's DALL-E or Midjourney work, according to a report by Beta Info. WhatsApp is currently rolling out the new AI feature to some users of the Android WhatsApp beta program with version 2.23.17.14, while the feature is currently under testing. Once it is rolled out for everyone, users will see a dialog in their sticker panel that will inform them about the new option. Additionally, a button to generate these stickers will be available. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
सबने चैट जीपीटी के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है। मैं आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ आप कैसे जीपीटी 4 को फ्री में यूज कर सकते हो। सिंपली आपको जाना है, अपने सर्च बार पे लिखना है frontchat.ai, जहाँ पे आप जाएंगे और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज मिलती हैं। गेट्स, इलॉन मस्क का सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, सोशल मीडिया मार्केट मैनेजर। तो अपना कमांड डाल के जीपीटी 4 एंजॉय कर सकते हो। बट इसका एक डीमेरिट, अगर आप इसका सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं लेते तो आपको सिर्फ एक ही कमांड रन करने मिलेगा पूरे 3 घंटे के आर्क सेशन में। अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज शेयर करो ताकि लोग भी चैट जीपीटी 4 का एक कमांड फ्री में यूज कर पाए। ऐसी म्यूजिक कंटेंट के लिए IT Voice को फॉलो कर लेना। बाय बाय।